everybody. Happy spring. Brendan with Roof Source here. We're out in Johnstown at a couple multi-family apartment units here that we're putting new roofs on today. We came out here on a maintenance program to just deal with the small stuff and was introduced to the board, gave them just sound opinions and advice on just getting as much mileage out of these roofs as possible. And when it was time for them to be replaced, that's what we're doing today. They're getting replaced. And these are pitched asphalt shingle roofs. This goes with about every type of roof, whether it's metal, flat. You know, we can offer repair options or restoration options just to keep limping that roof along as we can before it's time for it to get replaced. Board members and property managers, it's just important to have a contractor that without a doubt you can pick up your phone and call. They're going to answer the phone and be there when it's for something super small. We want to make their jobs and lives a lot easier so that they don't have to wonder who to call to go deal with the vent cap that blew off or the piece of gutter that fell. For this project, you know, to help the ease of the community, we put notices on every door with direct contacts for our team. So when they're wondering, you know, hey, this vehicle needs to be moved, or what's going on here, if any of the tenants or the people living in this community have questions, instead of going directly to the board or the property manager to try to make their life a little bit easier, we're giving them our direct contact to try to ease some of that pain. Just having someone that is gonna give them honest opinions and options with pictures so that they can clearly understand what it is we're talking about. I try to put myself in the shoes of a board member or a property manager, and these are all the things that I would want. And so that's what we want to provide.